All right, so this is the pack from Amazon. I haven't even opened it yet. Let me get this open real quick. Box opening time. It comes with like a little bag, I guess. Hold on, let me get the zoom in so you guys can get right. Yeah, it comes with like a little bag, I guess, or whatever. What is this saying? It'll be a link in the description down below, man. But this is the dent repair kit. I got it for $40 on Amazon. It comes with a whole bunch of different stuff. These are some, I guess, the little glue things that you need to actually connect. This is, I guess, a scraper. This is some more little pieces. I'm just gonna call those adapters, man, because I have no clue what these are. Hold on, what else we got? We got some more stuff. We got some, this seems like a little microfiber, real soft towel that you would clean your glasses with. What else? This seems to be like some type of leverage, some type of, I don't know, some apparatus that you screw in or whatever. I don't know. Maybe this is the part that you pull the dent on with or something. I don't know. I thought it was handheld, but I don't know. Maybe not. What else? It should be a glue gun in here. Oh yeah, we got some glue sticks because it does have a glue gun. It's not bad, man. For 40 bucks. I wouldn't be mad, man. Like I said, it'll be in link to the description down below. This is some spray bottles, empty. What else? What else we got? Oh, this seems to be like the actual piece. Hold up. All right, we got. Hold on. Let me read this real quick because this says get a free gift card. All right, so let me be real, man, and show you guys this real quick, man. You guys see this? I don't know if you can see. Hold on, let me get a different angle. You guys see the dents? Can you guys? I don't know if you can. Hold on. All right, yeah, there you go. You see those dents, right? And then there's another one. There's another one right here, right? So we got a $40 Amazon like repair dent kit. It comes with like a glue gun. It comes with all the little glue sticks. It comes with the puller, you know, and all that. So I'm gonna try to work out these. I'm gonna try to work out these dents myself. You know, because this one has a whole bunch of different dents or whatever that I can play around with. I've already watched a couple videos on it, you know, so I got a little gist of what you need to do. And it seemed pretty easy, you know, so, but this one is a beast. So I'm going to try to work this out. I'm going to play around with it. I'm going to come back. But you guys can see how it is now, and I'll give you an update to, you know, see how the progress is. And I think by the time I finish that one a couple of times and get something out, then I'm gonna come to this one. I'm gonna show you guys the full process, you know. But, you know, let me just play around with it for a little bit or whatever, and then we'll come back. All right, so I got the glue stick warming up. So I think the next thing that I'm gonna do is like clean out the area. And man, honestly, I was looking at it. I know you guys probably, it's only been like a second. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this one. I don't know. It's like weird. It's like it's no way for me to get any leverage to like pull it down, man. This one have to be replaced. And the thing is, like you can see, it's like, I'm gonna open the door real quick. It's like on the door, you know? It's not just here. It's like two pieces. So it's hard for me to get any leverage on that one. So I might be screwed. I might have to just, man, I don't even know. Like, I don't know if this whole piece would have to be replaced. Like, let me see, it goes from here. It goes from down here, if I wanted to replace this, and then this is part of the whole, like it's part of this whole thing right here. Yeah, man, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to fix that one, so I don't know. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna do this one for sure. I'm gonna set you guys up so you guys can see it real quick, first time. All right, so I got this going. I'm basically gonna just add some glue into this device. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this with one hand, but pretty much I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna put some glue over here, and then I'm gonna put it down on the actual. Hold on, let me see if I can do this. How can I do this with one hand? Hold up. I got a tripod. So let me see. Just a little bit. All right, so now I have that piece situated. I'm gonna let it dry for like probably like a minute. And then I'm gonna grab this piece and I'm gonna pull it out. And I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna set you guys up so you guys can see that process. All right, so I got everything situated. It's kind of a little weird, like screwing this thing down, because you got to screw it like the reverse way to like lower the clip or pull it up so it actually can like hook into that. Hold on, let me see if I can get it clear for you guys. So it can like hook up. But we're gonna just pull it now. I think I'm in a situation now where I got it set up properly. So I'm just gonna yank it and I'm gonna see what happens, man. Hopefully the dent comes out. I didn't prep it, honestly, man. I didn't put any alcohol down or whatever, but we'll see what happens. I took an L. See what happens with this time. Fail. Fail. Comment down below, man. This video over, man. Like, I've tried it 3 or 4 times. If you guys know how to do this piece, man, let me know. I don't know if maybe this area is just not the best place to do it. It seems like you get a lot of different pieces or whatever that works with it, but I don't know, man. Like, you guys can see, this is just jacking up the car even worse, man. Like, it's not even, it's not working. Like I said, it might just, it's not, I don't think it's this piece. I'm probably doing it wrong. It's probably on me. It's probably in a weird position because it's not like it's just like flat on the hood or whatever. It's not like just flat on the surface on the hood. It's sat like at an angle, you know? It's sat like, I don't know, can I give you guys a better angle of it? Yeah, it's like at an angle, you know? So it's almost like I can go under here and pop it out if I wanted to, or I don't know, man. Comment down below, man. Let me know how this works, man. I'm gonna put it as a fail. Works, man. So I probably have to take this one in and get it professionally fixed. Also, man, because this dent over here, I don't think I'm gonna be able to fix it because it's a worse situation than over there, you know, because there's no place for me to get any leverage, and it's like little small. It's not even like it's dents. It's like it scrapes, you know. So it's not even like it's a big dent like somebody hit it with a baseball bat. It's like it's part of the door, you know. It's like dented over there. This is the door. This is still the piece where it's dented, you know. So it's just a bad situation, man. I really screwed this one up, but whatever, man. We just gotta keep going, man. We gotta keep grinding. I'll get it fixed, and now it'll probably just be another video of me taking it into a body shop to see how much it would cost to get it fixed, you know. And we go from there, man. Appreciate you guys, man. Please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe, man. I got probably in the next week. Man, if you got a Chrysler 300, man, I'm just gonna show you this real quick. I know I always show you guys the door lights, but I got a new one coming in about a week, man. It should be here very, 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 very soon, man. And this much doper than this one, man. So it's coming. That's it.